welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another week of What's for Dinner. Today is Sunday, November 20th, and we are starting the week off with zuppa toscana. I picked up some kale, and then I also picked up this plant-based creamer, heavy whipped creamer. Hopefully it's good. It was on sale at Kroger. I just got these two things and to make the soup, so hopefully it's good. I thawed this out from my freezer. This is homemade broth. That's bone broth, and that's chicken stock from my freezer. And then I found this bag already opened of bacon crumbles. I'm gonna, instead of using bacon, I'm just gonna saute some of these and call it good. This is such an easy soup. I have onion. The only thing I need is some garlic and some Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, and potatoes. So our soup is gonna come together in no time, and it's gonna be really good. My daughter is under the weather, and she really likes this soup, so I'm going to make this for her. Nice big bowl of comfy, warm, delicious soup. It's sunny outside, but it is still very crisp. I think it was like 20-something degrees, like 22 or something like that when we woke up. It was really, really cold, but at least it's not raining. It's beautiful and sunny, and the grass is like frosty, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So let's get this soup going, and I'll show you when it's all
beautiful, beautiful soup. I added some red pepper flakes at the end just to give it a little kick, and that is going to be so delicious. And then I have bread going in my bread maker because I haven't bought bread and we need some bread in the house.
So it is Monday, and today we had leftover zuppa toscana, and I'm also going to make some macaroni and cheese for the little ones and some chicken nuggets. So that is what is for dinner for them. See you guys tomorrow. So it is Tuesday, and my husband is grilling burgers yet again. And I just washed these peppers, and I'm gonna have him grill them. And we like to just take the skins off afterwards and eat them with some vinegar, oil, and salt like a side dish. It's so delicious. So I got a bunch of red peppers on clearance from Kroger for just $3 for all of these. Let's go put them on the grill. So here's his little setup. We're just using our portable grill. It's so much easier to clean than our big grill. And yeah, it's so cold. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, it is freezing. It's dark outside, and he is staying out here grilling burgers for dinner. And I cannot wait for those peppers. Those are going to be so good. I want to show you guys this kit. I am going to get my turkey ready, going in my brine. So I got this at Costco a while back. It's a brine and rub kit. And I've never done my turkey this way, but I'm going to. So I'm going to keep it in the brine for, it's thawed out. It's in my fridge. So today is Tuesday night, and obviously we're going to cook it on Thursday. So it's going to stay in there for a day and some, but I'm going to put it in our garage, which is super cold. So it should be just fine. Anyway, this is what came in the kit. I'm going to use this, on the turkey. And I actually ordered a poultry rub that's the same brand, so that'll be perfect. And then this is what we're going to dissolve in water, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. And then what I do with my turkey, I like to cook it with, and I saw this recipe many years ago when we first got married, many years ago. And this is how I've always done my turkey, is you have like a cheesecloth, and then in a pot I melt butter with a bottle of white wine. And then I soak my cheesecloth in that, and then I keep like putting the butter and white wine, and I think chicken stock too, on the turkey. You keep basting it, and you don't put tin foil, but that kind of covers it, and that's what it just gives it such good flavor, and it keeps it super moist. And I think with that and with the brine, it's going to be a very moist, delicious turkey. I'm super excited, but we are just starting the prep out for Thanksgiving. Okay, here's our burgers. I sauteed some mushrooms, and we have those big steak. It was a big steak tomato that we got on clearance from Kroger's. Lettuce, onion, all the good stuff. And that is what we are having for dinner tonight. See you guys tomorrow.
Hey y'all, it's Wednesday. So I just went to Winco and got some of the bread. I got a dozen right here. I got 2 pounds of coleslaw, so 1, 2 right there. I got the meal, the fried chicken meal. So we have 12 pieces here, 6 people in our family. That's 2 pieces each. So I put myself a little plate right here. Probably gonna add some of these chips because I don't know, like us teenagers, we love these hot chips. I don't know, our parents don't like them, but we like them. And yeah, I don't know if I mentioned these little, what are these called? Like rolls, the Hawaiian ones. Love them. They're really good. Altogether, I think it was like 20 something bucks for all of this. So yeah, this is what we're having Wednesday for lunch.
Wednesday, I took out puff pastry from the freezer and then these Cool Whips from the freezer. And I'm going to make these. This is my first batch, and I think I made them a little too thin. They're just like, not cannolis, but stuffed horns, I guess. We'll still use these, but some of them broke. But this is my setup. I have more in the oven. And this is the reason why we picked up dinner, and I am not cooking because I'm baking all kinds of stuff and super excited to be doing it, but it takes a lot of time. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. So the prep is on the way. We have over here melted butter, sage, thyme, and rosemary, and bone broth, and we're gonna add white wine. This is the cheesecloth I'm gonna put in there, and we're gonna put over the turkey. Over here, I have the same herbs I chopped up with butter and some of this seasoning. And then this is the turkey. This is how my husband had it in the brine. And we're gonna put it, he's gonna help me put it together, and we're gonna put it in a roaster oven. And then this is our tablecloth, and it is a color one that you can color. Noah is having a lot of fun. Say hi.
Hi.
So they're just coloring the tablecloth. And then that's a mug my daughter made for me many, many years ago in middle school. So we're just gonna put it all out really nice, set it up, and get the food going. First thing is first we need to get the turkey going. It's 11 o'clock, so we gotta get that going. All right, so here is the wine and everything, and then our butter. My husband's just massaging the turkey with the herbed butter. And then we're gonna put some under the skin on the breast. All right, so we are just, me and Emma are just assembling the desserts. Emma, you wanna say hi?
Hi.
Hi. So we made these last night. They turned out very nicely. Some of them have sprinkles on the end. Doesn't that look good? And they taste really good. So we're just sprinkling them with powdered sugar. We're going to cover this huge platter and put it back in the fridge. And then I also made this no-bake like cookie salami thing. It's a dessert with raisins and cocoa and butter and milk and deliciousness. So we're going to cut that up and plate it up. Are we putting that on the wooden thing? Or no, the white thing. Okay. Yeah. And then I have more butter thawing out from my freezer just because, you know, we need that for like the stuffing and whatnot. And then let me show you guys our turkey. There it is. I keep basting it, putting the liquid. It's turning out very nicely. And then those two are coloring the tablecloth because it's a coloring tablecloth. Say hi. And then those are my stuffing bags ready to go. We're just getting things ready. It's almost 1 o'clock. Things are going good. So almost 2 o'clock. Okay, time is flying by. And yeah, I think it's going to turn out very nice. So show them this. Look how beautiful this turned out. This is a no-bake recipe. I'll have to make it for you guys one time and show you because it's super easy. It's called Salam de Biscuits. We like to make it around the holidays. But it's a really good recipe. You can make anytime. It just has to sit in the fridge, preferably overnight. And it's a Romanian recipe, and I've had to like convert from milliliters and all that, and it's never really turned out as nicely as this. It was always extra like wet. And this year I added more biscuits and it turned out, so I think I have the perfect recipe this time. So yeah, and then the bambinis, and then I bought these pumpkin roll-ups. Show them the roll-ups. And we're gonna slice those up and put them on a beautiful platter as well. So lots of desserts. My mom made some Romanian recipes and she's bringing that. So I think we're gonna have plenty of desserts, and we have lots of coffee. All we need is a big appetite to enjoy everything.
And then these are store-bought. We just put them on the platter, and we're probably, we tested one right here to see if we should put powdered sugar on it.
I think we should.
Yeah.
You're right.
Might add a little more.
She wanted to add the powdered sugar, and I was like, nah, but I think we should.
All of the wrappers.
So this is what this looks like. Emma's doing a good job putting all the cranberries just to give it a little pop of color. Add a few more in the back. And we already had quality control by the kids. They got to eat the ends. Was it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're good. They're good. They're good. So Yeah, they're very good. We're gonna wrap this up and put it in the other fridge, and then we're gonna slice up the pumpkin loaves or pumpkin bread, pumpkin roll, and yeah, those are just one more. And then we will be all set with the dessert. So I am getting the green bean casserole ready, and I'm using this deep lasagna dish. This took a lot of, I had those big, like huge green bean cans, and like what I would say about 4 or 5 of the cream of mushrooms, using these crispy onions. I'm gonna pop this in the oven, and then when everybody comes, I'm just gonna heat it up. I'm trying to get my sides ready to go. That way there's less to do last minute. So this turkey is done. Obviously it is not crispy, so we're gonna have to put it under the broiler. I'm gonna keep basting it, and it's gonna turn very nice and delicious. All right, so this is all the food that we've been working on. The turkey turned out nice. I did put it in the turkey roaster, and then I put it under the broiler. Turn on those lights, Brianna. And then we did orange slices with cranberries, ice, and cranberry cherry juice with ginger ale. And then we have the dessert, all the desserts. Okay, everyone say hi.
Hi. Hi, everybody.
Not everyone is here, but some people.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hi.
Lucas is a little sick. Over here, I have our Christmas tree. My kids set it up, and I think they did a wonderful job.
Okay guys, so it is Saturday. We finished all our leftovers from Thanksgiving, so kind of over it. So we decided to just get some Panda Express. I think we got a family meal and some
one
plates.
extra noodles.
Yes, one extra noodle.
And we still have lots of dessert, but our turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, everything else is all gone.
Yep.
Because people took some home too.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, it is Sunday morning, and I have still sick kiddos at home, and so I made a quick chicken soup out of some chicken skins from the freezer, and my little ones wanted it with ABCs. I have some fresh parsley from my mom, and I think I'm going to make a tortellini soup later. But this is the leftover chicken stock. I'm going to add some of my mom's noodles for us to eat, and my husband also took out some frozen burgers for later for dinner for whoever wants it. We just really need some soups in us because it's the weather. Here is the soup with the noodles from my mom's house, and you can tell it's not a lot, just a little bit for whoever wants this. I already plated the kids their soups with the ABCs, and that's going to be a quick little, I would say lunch, because they're sick. They're not going to eat too much, but nice and warm and hopefully soothing for the throat. I forgot to show you guys, but we made burgers. There's the leftovers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
With it, group drop.